Hi, I'm Harrison, and this is my dad.
What are we doing today?
Okay, so today we're opening a Scarlet and Violet Pokemon pack, and let's see what's in this pack right now, people. Let's go! Okay, so let's see what's in here. Do the trick, Dad.
Oh, okay.
He does the
I forgot. Hold on 1 second. I gotta show them this in case they want the code.
This is how you open online Pokemon packs, and you probably could open 1,000,000 every single day.
Not us.
No, 2.
How many do we do?
2 a day.
No, we don't.
Wait, 1 a day, 1 a night.
No.
No one does 1 a night.
No, we just do 1 on Wednesdays, right?
Pokemon
Wednesdays.
I thought you said online.
Oh. Okay. Oh, you mean the online game? Two packs a day on the online game?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Alright, let me just do this. I think it's just 2.
Okay. Sit down. Go.
I think that's correct. So make sure you show everybody what you're getting, okay? Hold on, let me look. Yeah, you start this at this beginning.
Okay, so this is what that?
Houndstone.
This is Houndstone, a second
Okay,
thing.
here. I'll show them. That looks pretty pretty. Okay, what do we got next? Energy.
And this is Varoom.
Varoom, the vacuum.
That's not vacuum.
No, it's the motorcycle.
That's a tractor.
The tractor.
Okay, then that's the
Clauncher. Cool artwork. Looks like a crawfish. A Skiddo.
Quaxley.
Ooh, Quaxley. Yes, Quaxley. What's this? Lissy. Cool. Tatsugiri. I love that one. Jock. Not Jock Cousteau, just Jock. Ooh, energy retrieval. What do we get for our hit?